Welcome to our latest nail extension tutorial where we explore 5 stunning nail art designs that will elevate your nail game to a whole new level. In this video we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating unique and eye-catching nail extension using a captivating color palette. First, dark gray, well, dark gray, and this is an orange color. Let's kick things off with a striking combination of dark gray and orange. This design is perfect for those who love a bold, vibrant look. First, apply a base coat to protect your natural nail, then carefully layer on the dark clay polish for a sleek base. Moving on to our next design, we are mixing things up with orange and light gray. The combination exudes and elegance. Get ready to create a refined look. Our next design brings out the romance with shades of red rose. This one's perfect for a romantic evening or special occasion. Begin with the clear base coat, then apply a rich red as the base color. Add delicate rose recent for a touch of elegance and charm. Let's infuse some energy into our nail art with green and yellow. This lively combination is sure to brighten up your day. Apply a base coat to protect your nails and then create a vibrant masterpiece by layering green and yellow polish in a playful pattern. For our final design, we are going to deep with blue and blue. This earthy yet trendy combo is perfect for those who love a touch of nature. Protect your nails with the base coat once more and then dive into the creative process. Layer blue and brown polish to create a soothing nature inspired look. There you have it, fabulous nail extension design that showcase the power of color. Which one is your favorite? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail inspiration. Until next time, keep dazzling with your unique nail creation.